Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Beep by Eventbeep is hiring for Flutter Intern role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about this job. What we are looking for? We are looking out for a Flutter developer who will be developing high quality mobile applications across Android and iOS devices. The ideal candidate will be responsible for designing, implementing, bug fixing and testing various features of Beep. Roles and responsibilities. Build and ship new features using a single code base with Flutter. Maintain and improve existing software applications. Write readable and reusable code. Design pixel perfect UI on Flutter from Figma. Collaborate and brainstorm with our team. Qualifications required are skilled in developing Android or iOS applications with Flutter. Knowledge of Dart programming language and REST APIs. Basic understanding of state management patterns like block and qubit is preferred. Experience with dependency injection using Get-It is a plus. Comfortable using third-party libraries and modifying them to fit your needs. Familiarity with cloud messaging and push notifications using Firebase is a plus. Understanding of version control tools like Git and team building skills. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this Easy Apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates, चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.